What's the meaning of biosecurity? Biosecurity. Biosecurity.
Biosecurity. Biosecurity. Biosecurity refers to measures that are taken to prevent the spread of diseases or harmful organisms between different groups of living things. This can involve a range of practices such as quarantine procedures, strict sanitation standards, careful monitoring of animal and plant health, and restrictions on the movement of biological materials across borders. Biosecurity is particularly important in environments where diseases can spread quickly and easily, such as farms, laboratories, and healthcare facilities. By implementing effective biosecurity measures, it is possible to reduce the risk of disease outbreaks, protect public health, and safeguard the health and well-being of animals and plants.